There are some sins that destroy only the body and some that destroys the soul. Magic is one of them. In the Holy Quran, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells us a powerful story, not to entertain us, but to warn us. It is the story of Harut and Marut, a test that exposed the human heart. Long after Prophet Adam alayhis salam, people began to search for power. They wanted control over others. They wanted solutions without patience. They wanted results without obedience. And slowly, magic began to spread among them. During the time of Prophet Sulaiman alayhis salam, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala blessed him with a kingdom unlike any other. Control over the wind, the jinnat, and great wisdom. But when Prophet Sulaiman alayhis salam passed away, lies began to spread. People said, Sulaiman did not rule with Allah's help, he ruled with magic. This accusation was dangerous. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala revealed the truth in the Holy Quran. As in Surah Baqarah, verse 102, Sulaiman did not disbelieve, but the devils disbelieved. Allah cleared Prophet Sulaiman's name. He was a prophet, not a magician. He ruled by Allah's permission, not by magic. It was devil who spread magic, teaching people harmful knowledge and leading them away from faith. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala did not stop the test there. In a place called Babul, Allah sent two angels, Harut and Marut. Why? Not to promote magic, not to encourage disbelief. They were sent as a test. When people came to Harut and Marut, the two angels did not welcome them with comfort. They did not promise success. They did not hide the danger. Instead, they warned every single soul, we are only a test, so do not disbelieve. Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 102. The warning was clear. This knowledge was not guidance. It was a trial. Some people heard the warning and walked away. They feared Allah more than curiosity, but others did not. They said, we just want to learn. We won't use it wrongly. So they learned. And what did they learn? Not healing, not wisdom, but knowledge that destroyed trust, broke homes, and turned love into hatred. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, they learned what causes separation between a man and his wife. Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 102. Yet, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reminds us of a powerful truth. But they could not harm anyone except by Allah's permission. Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 102. Magic had no real power. The real damage was inside their hearts. And the most tragic part? They knew that whoever chose this would have no share in the hereafter. Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 102. They were not ignorant. They were not tricked. They knew the price. Yet they sold their akhirah for knowledge that brought no benefit. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala then declares a judgment that echoes through time. How evil was the price for which they sold themselves, if only they knew. Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 102. After telling this story in the Holy Quran, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala then tells us what they should have chosen. If they had believed and feared Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the reward from Allah would have been far better. Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 103. This story teaches us that the greatest danger is knowing the truth and still disobeying. Harut and Marut were a warning, not because they taught magic, but because people chose it. The test continues today. Will we trust Allah or chase forbidden shortcuts? May Allah protect our faith, guard our hearts, and keep us firm upon the truth. Ameen.